It's time to find out about the cooking YouTube channels served with a side of fresh air. YouTube is far from short of inventive chefs and peculiar food crazes, but there's one trend that boasts substance, style, and, unlike many YouTubers, plenty of unique outdoor settings. And one of the best channels out there is Ras Kitchen. Canadian Matt Pantser has made scores of videos about his friend Moko, a Rastafarian in Jamaica. The Rastafarian movement recommends an ITIL diet, the main principle being that food should be natural, pure, and from the earth. And Matt has documented Moko preparing a wide variety of dishes in the cooking hut in Jamaica's Blue Mountains where he lives. For example, this Caribbean classic is just one of a 3-part series which have accumulated almost 500,000 views.
Number one breakfast in Jamaica, everybody know about this dish, everybody.
Ras Kitchen is more than just a YouTube channel though, it's also a fully fledged documentary about Moko's life through cooking. He even has his own spin on scrambled eggs.
You just make it boil at a certain time, then you heat it out. Then eggs, I put everything in it right now. Everything in the garlic, scrambled eggs, and put it in the bread.
Is scrambled eggs pretty popular in Jamaica as a breakfast?
Scrambled one you want to see it now.
Another outdoor cook dedicated to the trend is Al Mazan Kitchen. The videos are just as tranquilly located and visually stunning as Ras, but other than ambient sound, they are silent. The food does the talking. And the channel has almost 56 million views and over 700,000 subscribers hungry for an open-air meal. Alternatively, you might want to head over to Bangladesh via YouTube for a sample of the local cuisine. Around Me BD is a channel giving an intimate look into the food culture of the South Asian country. From rural women cooking fish for the entire village to the hustle and bustle of markets in the city. This is their most popular video, and not one for the squeamish. This man chops a yellow-tailed catfish with remarkable precision and a very sharp blade. And unsurprisingly, such a unique video has a view count of almost 7 million. And for those who like their outdoor cooking experience to be a little more interactive, YouTubers The Barbecue Pit Boys provide the perfect service. They specialise in barbecuing meat the low and slow way, on a low temperature and over time, with large portions and even larger flavours.
This cutting worked real well, doing it low and slow. This is going to take us about maybe 10 hours to do, and make it real tender.
They've also been known to show how to cook some more specialised cuisine. This video sees them marinating, grilling, and eating an alligator and has had over 6 million views. And the boys themselves boast just shy of 1 million subscribers, claiming to have inspired people all around the world, making them the largest barbecuing community on the planet. YouTube offers a whole variety of content for viewers to enjoy from the comfort of their home. And it seems many viewers have decided to use their TV, smartphone or tablet screens to transport them back outside.